Alright, so when I go to my website, I click Enroll Now. Hold on. Enroll Now. Right there. And then you scroll down. Then I go to, so this is join as a planning marketing rep. Right? You'll be a representative. And this includes the low startup cost for $19.99. Everything is, sorry, so everything is right there. Click Enroll Now. Then this is one that I do. This one that I do. The $20 one, not the $19 one. That one. And then you put in my name, no space, Lyric Rochester, no space whatsoever. And then you click submit. And then you click this again, Enroll Now. And then you continue the process from there. It is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But if you are having difficulty, if your internet is moving a little bit slow or whatever case may be, you can link me up. And this part for SSN for us Jamaicans is our TRN. Okay, and also ensure